Okay everyone, let's make a dice using a piece of paper, a paperclip, and a pen. Here we go. So, I'm going to do a number 1, do a 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6 in a rough circle. Now what I can do, put my pen in the middle, and now I can spin. Okay, I got a 5 that time, 3 that time, 1 that time. This is an improvised paper dice. Okay everyone, so a variation of your dice, you might want to use 12 numbers instead of 6. So again, paper, paperclip, pen. Let's draw a circle with 12 numbers, like a clock. Let's start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 at the top. Okay. And again, we can use my pen, and I can spin. Okay, that time I got a 9. Oh, that time a 2. Okay. A variation of the dice with 12 numbers, same idea as with 6.